Okay, magkamangayan ba yun?
Yung Facebook pala to. Grabe, wala pa naman kita na sa content
Ako kasi hindi na.
Ganda mo naman. Ganda, parang Barbie.
Usually na-question, hindi naman
Lagi ko po kayong pinapanood.
Led by Mr. Kevin Manili.
Pero ako matagal na po, gusto niyo po to. Kaya maraming salamat.
Tumabo yung camera ko.
As we look forward to working with all of you guys, as we extend our love to all those people who are more than willing to be part of U-Glow, of the U-Glow Bake family. Ayan, we have our influencers tonight, as today. And of course, after them signing the contracts, they'll be to have a photo op, no, with of course Ma'am Giselle Melves on stage. And Harinawa, you also share it to others, no?
Event. Again, mahalin niyo rin po si U-Glow Bake katulad ng pagmamahal namin sa inyo. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng
Thank you so much, everybody!
Good night! Thank you
Thank you so much, everyone! Panginoon ang sentro mo.
Yes!
Salamat, everybody. Enjoy ba kayong lahat? Wait lang, sino may birthday kayo? Saan ba natin yan? Ay, busy na sa PR products. Nakakaloka. Makaasahan pa namin na ano ba? Wednesday? Okay, sa harapan daw kailangan. Come on.
Ibalik mo yung